Chapter 8. Linear regression.
Ooh. I don't like that.
Rejection?
Regression.
Yeah,
She
the
goes,
line-
linear rejection?
We were graphing the line
Yes.
and it got
No
rejected.
lines.
Well, at some point this year we will reject or fail to reject things, but
Really?
yeah. But not this, and not for a little while.
I could have been really mean.
I bet you that's like chapter 15.
It's kind of hot in here.
It goes back and forth. A linear model. As you said that, the air just came on.
It hurt me.
The linear model is the equation of a straight line
I misspelled model.
Me too.
You put L-E.
No.
She did.
through a data set.
Oh, Melcher, I bet you missed us so much.
We can use the model
Don't respond.
to make predictions about our variables.
M-O-E-L. Okay, there
Whoa.
That's really bright.
we
It's not bright, it's actually Dret.
It's what, Maddie?
Dread.
I was looking at data set. It said Dret, and I was trying to say dark, so it was just Dret.
go. Okay.
Do I need to change the highlighter color?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, it's just.
Well, in what's it called? In driver's ed, we were going through science, and I said
I like it.
that the sign was wet when slippery,
Slippery.
and I was 100% certain I was right,
Oh no.
and I continued to reinforce my point to the driver's ed instructor, and I was very adamant on the fact that it was wet when slippery, and that she was an idiot and I was correct, and then I realized.
Yeah, Miss Barbara.
Yes, it was
Oh,
Miss
poor
Barbara.
me. Does she like you? I don't think she liked
I
you.
don't think either of them liked you very much.
I don't think she likes me. I didn't like that.
Mrs. Rose.
Miss Rose would always sit next to me and play solitaire.
She would scare me.
She was kind of scary.
My driver's ed instructor was Mr. Moody. He was in a
I heard
wheelchair.
he was good. Was he good?
He's great.
I wanted.
He could literally just literally roll in and just you had no idea he was coming.
No, because I've never heard him. I have heard
She
him.
asked
No,
if
no,
he's
the
alive.
last-
Is he still alive?
I don't think he's alive.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
He is alive? I thought
Really?
he died.
I did too.
No, he's.
I also heard that he died.
Are you finishing that sentence or is that the end of the sentence?
I'm finishing it.
Oh,
I
was
got
gonna
distracted.
say, I'm not gonna challenge you because to me, I spelled model.
All right, a predicted value y hat is an estimate made using a model.
Why?
The Y is wearing a hat.
Why?
The y is wearing a hat
Why is Y wearing a
Why is
hat?
Y wearing a hat?
because it's
Why
just
not?
a notation. Y is wearing a hat, or he's wearing a carrot if you want to be technical.
Yeah.
Why
can I do this?
What? Yes. Yes.
Hearing my own.
That's all
Okay.
what, Sarah?
The observed value.
I don't know, but
I
for
think
some
I'm just
reason
gonna
that
take a picture of this
hat.
line. I'm not doing that.
Yeah, I'm
That's
taking a
lazy.
picture of this line.
No, I'm not doing it.
Y
I don't know.
is the true. You're the only one paying attention to me right now. The true value.
It's okay. Do I get bonus?
A variable participation points
Yeah.
takes
I'm
on.
paying attention now, though.
Hold
I
on.
had one squirrel, but we're good now.
One squirrel.
It's more effective.
How can you
listen
bear?
to
Wait,
it.
how can
Stop
a
making me
variable
laugh.
say something
It
else?
hurts.
I don't gain anything while writing, to be honest with you.
I don't either.
So I feel like
picture and you
Earhart,
listen.
how can a variable say
Wrong.
something on?
You're wrong. Fix yourself.
Like the value that it is.
what
It,
Like 3.
is the
Like
true
y is
value?
3.
it took it on?
That's the false.
Like what it's. being, what it's acting as. Like in a play, you take on the role of something.
Ah,
How to put it in
I was
music
thinking like
terms,
I'm thinking on. I thought maybe they're fighting.
I mean, you
I
don't
need to go to
understand
bed.
that.
A residual
We're literally still writing definitions.
Yes.
Yes.
Sarah?
is the difference between an observed value
Oh, why was he pushing?
and what the model predicts.
Oh my goodness. I can't do this. If I misspell something else today, I'm cutting my hand off.
I'm cutting off.
Residual
Not listen to things I say.
is equal to y minus y hat.
Why hat? What does the hat stand for again?
Predicted value.
Oh yeah, I do that.
Is that our last one?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's all the notes for today.
No, our last.
Well, we're not that blessed.
Line of best fit. I mean, I don't have to give you all the definitions.
No,
No, please do
I
that.
like them, so that way I know what I'm doing.
Well, if you want to hear a constant question session of me being like, I don't understand, and crying, I think we need to have the definitions before I cry.
Line of best fit is also called the least squares regression line.
Wow, I'm never writing that.
Oh man, so in forensics we had to draw a best fit line, and I didn't know what that was
It's the
or what it
least
meant,
square regression line.
Oh, you
and
mean I have to
all
remember
the
all this
people
for
who
the
knew what
next
it
year?
meant and had like had taken statistics and stuff, they like knew
Just
what
said
to
sports
do,
like next year.
and I didn't know what to do, and so I kind of just like drew a random line at a 45-degree angle through my paper, and yeah.
And is calculated based on the square residual values. These are additional names for our linear model.
Me too.
I'm giving up. I keep on reading and writing and speaking, and it's not good because I just put these with 3 E's.
Wait, so line of best fit is a linear flip. It's what? What does this definition mean?
You were paying attention.
I am paying attention.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a line.
So why is a line of best fit?
Just a line that just fits between the data that says you can you can summarize this data with this line.
Okay.
Specifically something that's like y equals mx plus
It's
b.
like an approximation sign.
It's the best way
Ah!
to describe information.
This was the wrong thing. One
Yeah,
second.
Basically the best fit for the
Writing and highlighter.
Ah, stop. Yes.
Oh my word! What did you make that sound again?
What?
You made a sound when you got back. Like.
I was like, ah! That?
No.
No?
It's more like
Okay.
a,
That. Alright, regression
I haven't been doing bullet points this whole time, and now I drew one.
Oh no.
to the mean. Because the correlation
Wait,
Four.
correlation never goes away.
any, it's a whole unit on it,
Aw.
data set is almost never exactly
Oh. Okay.
1 or -1.
Like there's nothing necessary was gonna follow that.
No.
Each predicted y value tends to be closer to the mean.
So.
than its associated x value.
I'm not gonna lie, I really felt a pause after the word never. Because the correlation for any data set is always never. I was like, how is it
Almost never.
same?
Almost
Not what I wrote. It doesn't matter.
Well, always never wouldn't make sense.
And
That's
exactly why I was confused.
Always never.
Stop.
Always never.
Wrong.
Y'all are mean.
My ankle hurts.
How did you do?
So you're always right, but you're always never wrong.
Yes.
I'm always never.
Oh, we praise God.
Wow, that should not be the reaction when praising God, must it?
Oh, it's not my reaction to praising God. It's my reaction when having to perform in front of watching.
That was really
Is there a purple arrow?
It's a purple highlighter arrow.
My bad.
Muffin?
My bad?
I said muffin.
For example,
You said muffin.
the relationship between house size X and price Y
Ooh, wait, how big
Has-
has more money?
Oh,
a
why?
correlation of 0.77 if a house has a size
What?
that
Never mind, I need to stop.
is 1.2 standard deviations above the mean. What do you expect to be true of its price?
Can I go to my locker? I think my water's on top
Sure.
of my locker.
Okay.
You go up just a little. Okay, thank you.
Inside.
I'm good now.
You just needed X value?
Yeah, I just wasn't sure what. Because I knew it said value, but I wasn't sure if there was a word before it.
I have a huge mistake and put a desk in front of the door. As soon as she can get back in.
You could probably just run right into it.
You all know this is recording, right?
Oh.
Oh.
Awkward. Or as I have been informed that Berkeley says Akko Taco, that they all think she made up, but I say it all the time.
Yeah, I've been saying it for a long time.
What are you doing?
When did we even get informed that Chloe said this?
Did you leave it in choir?
I don't honestly remember. It was sometime today.
I say it a lot.
Why do you look like that?
Because you can't find a water bottle. Did you leave it in choir again? I really hope it's not still in choir.
Oh, Maddie. Where are you going? The wall?
I know, the truck. It's not there.
So it's not on top.
The water
You're
was
gonna have to
not
die
on
of
top.
thirst, Maddie.
I think I understand this.
What?
You tell me no, I don't. Maybe I do.
Alright, in this case, take the standard deviation of X
I need.
and multiply it by the correlation coefficient.
Yeah, that's exactly what I thought we should do.
Really?
No.
R to get the expected number. What is happening? Stop that.
Stop this. That's what Emily says. Emily says stop this.
This is recording.
Oh. No, they're gonna hear my water is on top. No.
The expected number of
They're gonna hear me
standard
talking about
deviation
walking
for Y. So, X, whoa, come back.
Whoa.
X is 1.2 above.
Remember that volleyball game?
So it said to multiply standard deviation times correlation coefficient. 1.2 times 0.77
Whoa. This
is
one-
equal to
What?
0.92.
So why
So-
does this actually work?
We expect, I have no idea.
Oh, okay.
It just does.
Just done.
I didn't invent it.
Yeah, who decided that these things should happen? Because I don't like it, and I think that they should stop.
Stop what?
Stupid. Being smart and figuring these statistical.
Well, they're probably dead now, so they did stop. them.
Whoa.
Well, yes, they did.
Did you see that? Look at it. Look at it. It made it dotted.
Are
I
you
don't know
okay?
how that happened. Ah!
What?
What is happening? Why did it do that? Stop.
That's like me when I'm trying to do homework. Why does it look like this? It's not being this hard.
So if we take the standard deviation of x and we multiply it by the correlation coefficient, we can figure out what the standard deviation for y is.
Okay, so that's what like. Well, it's just in this case that's weird to me. It's for other cases.
Maybe, I don't know.
Okay. So that 0.92. Wait, where does the y caret come in?
What?
Hat. It's got a hat, not a carrot. It's a hat.
Predicted value to find the residual.
That has nothing to do with what we say.
Correct. Not yet. We are going to be wearing a hat shortly.
Okay. Really?
I'm gonna wear a hat?
Well, our letters are going to wear a hat.
I thought we were all gonna like get hats.
I want a bucket hat.
I also want a bucket hat.
I want a purple bucket hat.
All right. Always check regression conditions before creating a regression model. Any idea what things we might need to check?
Line.
Straight enough scatter plot.
Oh,
Is
this
it
is.
quantitative data and not categorical? I was about to say qualitative.
Well, because that's a science thing.
Quantitative data.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Koalas are kind of scary.
And lastly, what else?
Kind of scary.
Ideas.
Which outliers?
No extreme outliers.
Outlighter.
I really think that this class is just.
No. It's not this class. It's literally just you.
No,
guys.
it's me.
It's just you guys.
No, I mean that in this
No,
class,
it's probably
I
me.
personally
Ooh!
possibly am
Wait,
not
line.
We're not like this in any other class, so maybe it is
Oh,
just
it didn't
you.
do the thing.
It didn't do anything.
Do it again.
It's okay.
Oh, it's ugly now. I'm sad. Thank you. Now I'm less sad.
Oh my god.
Why does it do that? It wasn't straight at all. What's up, Lily? Somebody don't pick on me.
No, literally took off one
You're
whole
so
page for me.
mean. Yes.
It's about
Guys,
accurate.
that was literally a whole page. Before you had to do the squiggly line, it was a whole page.
Yeah, well, mine wasn't.
Mine's
I'm
not
on the
sad.
next page.
I'm on the next page.
Calculating
Uh-oh.
the regression line using summary statistics.
Was that the 5 number something?
Yes.
Did you snort at me?
The regression equation takes the form y hat is equal to b sub 0 plus b sub 1x.
Whoa.
And you probably want to know what that means, I
Yes,
would
but
assume. y hat, predicted value. B sub 0 is the y-intercept. And B1 is the slope.
No, we have to find the slope or the slope.
mx plus b equals c. mx, no.
MX. Y equals MX plus B.
Mary.
She almost had it.
Where did the C come in?
Pythagorean theorem is what she was going for, I think.
What's a Pythagorean?
Oh.
Oh, boy.
Okay.
Oh, boy.
In my
Okay.
defense, c and y are both variables.
Yes.
Y
So
can-
is Z and R.
I think they need to bring in
W.
a cal so they
I
can
didn't
learn
say
that.
that. I said y equals mx plus. I said mx plus b equals c.
Yes,
And y equals mx plus b. Like,
Where did the C still come from? I don't think you helped your case.
Why is there an X in the back?
Because it's slope.
what?
B1X is one thing.
I don't know if I appreciate that.
Just like y equals
dare
mx
you.
plus b.
I just drew to bully you all day after not showing up this morning.
Alright.
Okay.
If you are provided the
I
following.
love you.
That's subscript 0.
Yeah. Summary statistics.
I do love you. What are you talking about?
So I have a question. Can we scroll like a little tiny little bit up where it has all three of the little ones? Thank you.
You're a little bit behind.
No, I'm not. I'm ahead. I'm
Oh,
at the
you
same
should-
spot.
yeah, I get
I
it.
just forgot.
Yeah.
I actually was laughing, so I couldn't write it.
You can't laugh and write. Come on, pick up the skill.
No, that was me
Oh, that
writing model while I was laughing.
Oh, it's beautiful.
But you thought I said
And it was funny.
that's
didn't
not
say
what I
anything.
said.
I think we're more focused during pre-cal than this class.
This is after lunch. Y'all have had too much sugar.
I
I
had
forgot to
salad.
eat my
Coffee
cake.
cakes.
I had salad. That's all I had. There's no sugar in salad. Is there sugar in salad?
In
I'm
dressing.
upset.
Is Caesar salad?
Yeah, Brooke's no longer allowed to have she's no longer allowed to have dressing on her salads. Only the
No, that's naked salad. That tastes like ours.
What?
Miss Marshall likes them like that.
My mom also.
She's only
likes it
dressing.
like
That explains a lot.
She doesn't use-
I can't eat bacon.
Your mom doesn't use dressing? Is that why she's crazy? I love your mom though.
tomato
I
red?
can't eat because
this is recorded.
Her mom wants me to go look up this video. I also love her mom, so it's fine.
We made sure to say that.
I think her mom likes me. At least a little bit.
She does.
You know, if you
I think your mom likes me too.
These videos, and if so,
I hope your mom likes
what's
me.
in the other classes?
Brenda,
Oh my
does your
gosh.
mom like me?
Your Algebra 2 class is going to be
Does your
hearing
mom
all of
like
our
me?
conversations when they get our videos, unless you're taking new ones. Because once you get up to when you have
No,
the
I
iPad
don't want to
again,
eat a naked salad.
I don't
It tastes like
either.
earth. It's like dirt.
Yeah,
It's dirt in your mouth.
It's gross.
Dirt in your mouth.
Nobody likes me.
God made dirt, dirt,
Except
dirt.
for Miss Mark.
Oh no.
Oh no, Toto. Sorry.
Stop.
I need to stop because everyone's gonna hear these and then they're gonna think I'm a wackadoo.
Well, maybe because you are. A little bit. Just a little bit.
All right, so provided the following summary statistics, R being the correlation coefficient, X bar, the mean of X, S sub X being the standard deviation of X, Y bar being the mean of Y,
Whoa, is there really?
S sub Y being the standard deviation of Y. What, Brooke?
And when I put that in my calculator, I never saw two. It's a really like.
It says provided the following. Doesn't necessarily mean you got them from your calculator.
I see that. Wow.
All that being said, we can calculate the slope.
Do we have to use the slope equation?
there's like a shadow.
There is a slope equation, but not for.
What you said, vocal poison.
Wow, that's. I didn't
You
know.
think a lot of people say a lot of things.
I do think.
All right, calculate the slope. B1 is equal to R times S sub Y over S sub X.
I missed the old slope formula, please. No.
probably easier.
It is?
And I can use the calculator, so.
Well, considering all the information would be given to you, just stick it in there.
So you know what happens when I plug things in? My brain explodes, and then it doesn't plug it in right.
Calculate the y-intercept. B sub 0 is equal to y bar minus b1 x bar.
Oh! No, there was no like revelation. I forgot to change from my pen to my pencil, and then I got really, messed with the colors.
Oh, I miss my water.
Thank you for the information.
That's really weird.
Oh, I miss my water.
Ew.
What's that?
Shoulder.
She went.
No, no.
And then went.
No, tell him to stop.
What just popped?
That was my.
That one wasn't me.
No, you're gonna make me cry. I can't. I'm not looking at that. You. Oh no, he can just look at his thumb. I don't like bows that come out of planes.
All right, model to predict fat from protein. All right, given. What is happening? Stop that.
Predict fat from. Okay.
Didn't we just do that in calculus? What class were you in?
Stats.
I could have sworn I just saw like, oh, that's an S with some.
Wait, what's on the side? That X? It's like we can only see half of the X.
Maybe that's all I want to see.
Oh, it's EX.
Given
See, why just not use it?
R is equal to 0.83 protein. X bar is equal to 17.2 grams. S sub X is equal to 14.0 grams.
Why do I have to classify the rest of protein?
Fat.
Oh, never mind. I understand now.
Y bar is equal to 23.5 grams. S sub Y is equal to 16.4 grams. Wow, they give you everything you need.
Wow.
Can I
Breathe
not?
too hard.
Okay, but, how do you read? Never mind.
What? How do I get that?
No, how do you breathe too hard? Is that what happens when you breathe too much?
Because he's got an injured sternum.
How did you injure your sternum?
I don't know what that's.
What did you do? Get kicked in the sternum?
Well, the ball was coming, so I chest trapped it, but I chest trapped it wrong, and I'm pretty sure I fractured my sternum.
That's ouch. I don't like that for
What's that move?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I need to plug this into my calculator because my brain can't do that. Can your brain do that, Mr. Hart? Like comprehend?
Mrs. Quinn.
Same person.
No, it's not.
Well, considering I already have it worked out, my brain can do that.
You should just be less cool for carrying.
All right, so B1, I've got to find that first because I need B1 to calculate the intercept. So B1 is equal to R times S sub Y over S sub X. So that would be 0.83 times 16.4, all divided by 14.
Times 16.4.
Wait a minute.
The whole thing divided by 4?
PEMDAS says that it's okay. What?
Oh, just look, watch this.
Don't do anything.
Don't do it.
Don't do anything.
What, Sarah?
0.9.
No, stop
7.
it! I hadn't gotten it yet. You just stole my joy.
Yeah.
I haven't gotten it yet.
I have no more happiness.
Whenever we're done with this problem, y'all can study. So.
Thank you. So I think that's your nice way to tell us to shut up so we can get done.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't care, but
No, I need to study, so I'm
Yeah,
ready to
I
start talking.
can't not pass this.
I mean, I definitely.
all right. So then B sub 0 is Y bar minus B1 X bar. So That is 23.5 minus 0.97 times 17.2. So, if y'all want me to save you time, that's 6.8 grams of fat.
Yeah, I thank you.
So you multiplied them first and then you subtracted it from that, right?
Yeah. So my regression model
B-O equals.
says that fat hat
Isn't there something like BQ?
is equal to 6.8 plus 0.97 times protein.
Did you say fat cat? I'm sorry.
Fat hat.
Oh, I thought you said fat cat.
Fat hat, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, the cat in that hat has
In French, chapeau. In Spanish, el gato en el sombrero.
what?
Y'all didn't grow up on the movie?
No.
Did you just say
It's just stuff.
cat in the
Can you
cat
say?
in the hat in Spanish? I'm stupid. I was like,
El gato en el sombrero.
The only thing I can think of is this big giant cat with a guacamole hat. You know,
It's not.
Ole!
Olay!
I'm cringe.
What are those things equal?
He's cringed.
I'm cringe. I'm
So
cringe.
fat with the hat.
It's like-
You should always be able to interpret slope
Oh no, is this gonna be a long thing?
Right, tiny.
and y-intercept in context.
The context of what?
Whatever we're talking about.
Oh,
So I have to look at the problem and be like, yo, I can solve it. Doesn't it have to give me all that stuff it gave me? So I can't always do it if they don't have that.
Or it might tell you what the slope is and you have to find the other pieces.
No. I'm not working backwards. My brain can't work backwards. It really works forward.
Alright, there's a little bit of interpretation stuff that still goes with this problem, but I'm going to be kind and let y'all study. So, we are done.
Thank you.